Glide gently on a canoe ride along the serene Rapti River, where the calm waters reflect the beauty of Chitwan's wilderness. Step into the heart of Chitwan National Park with a thrilling jungle walk, where every turn holds a surprise. Graceful spotted deer, the mighty rhino, elusive wild elephants, the majestic tiger, and the sloth bear, a perfect blend of peace and adventure in Nepal's wild paradise. If you want to experience the journey of a lifetime, then please contact Ganesh as your guide. Explore nature and wildlife. Into the wild, find your soul. Thank you for watching. Please follow me, support me, and subscribe my channel for
Do we go
more
closer or is it?
upcoming videos. Thank you.